See the immigration officer when he reject 10 million naira bribe and iPhone 13 Pro Max from Enugu-based Ritual Kingpin Ezeani, aka Ichie Billion. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go notify you once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Nigerians, wake up to the story of one Ezeani, Ichie Billion, an Enugu-based native doctor. No know say na Ritual Kingpin na im be. The tori na about a man and a daughter for forest when they go farm. Na there some cyclists dem come accost dem, come from there carry the girl. As the father come raise alarm, na there vigilante come trace the girl go the house of this Ritual Kingpin. And na there the man come begin dey run. Na there they come gbab am when he dey try to enter another country. This stunning act of bravery, so na one Nigerian Immigration Service officer wey im name na Prince Oriji Ugochukwu. For Facebook, im name na Okosisi Ugo. He display integrity as he reject 110 million naira bribe and iPhone 13 Pro Max when the ritualist Ezeani alias Ichie Billion offer am make e for fit escape justice. Ezeani na self-proclaimed native doctor but na alleged leader of one deadly occultic group, and e don dey run because of the atrocities wey e commit when e don dey exposed. Reports when e come in, e say the man allegedly e bury multiple victims alive for one soakaway pit for im compound for Umumba, Ezeagu, Enugu State. In crime dem don link am to ritual killings for wealth and power, and this one don make the nation dey para after the images of the alleged victims dem surface online. How dem come take arrest am? On Wednesday afternoon, Officer Ugochukwu dey station am for Gbaji checkpoint along Seme Road. Na there he come spot one suspicious man on a motorbike. He wear face cap. He come recognize am from viral social media photos. Say na the person wey dem declare wanted na be that one. He come signal the bike make e stop, but the bike come zoom off. Na there quick as a sharp officer, he come pursue the bike with another bike. He come intercept them for another immigration checkpoint. Na there he come confront Ezeani, who, although initially deny his identity, he say the wanted man na him brother. But the immigration officer Ugochukwu so he no shift ground. And because they don corner am, na there the ritualist come resort to bribery. He first offer am 10 million naira blood money make e for let am go. He refuse am. He come offer am iPhone 13 Pro Max and a Camon 19 phone. Ezeani come dey beg say e dey innocent. E dey allege say dem frame am and in rivals, people wey dey eye in throne for im community, na im frame am. But Ugochukwu, the immigration officer, he stand im ground. He talk say he refuse blood money, he refuse iPhone, he no go let evil go free. Na for there Ugochukwu come handcuff Ezeani. He come take im photos dem. He come alert the same border patrol command. Even though im colleagues dem, they dey reluctant, they no too believe am. But in vigilance, he come dey sure say they transfer the suspect to the authorities. For the country like Nigeria, when e dey alleged say corruption full everywhere, officer like Prince Oriji Ugochukwu, im integrity so e dey serve say no be everybody na dey ugly for the system. So na a beacon of hope. In refusal to accept that kind humongous amount, join the expensive phones, even when apparently he go get need for those type of luxury, e show say the man na person wey the integrity dey very high, and also na officer wey he wan ensure say justice prevail and he stand against evil. Country people, this action of Ugochukwu, so the immigration officer, e don dey make people dey react differently. Na there some commenters dey talk say if na police, e say the man for don enter Benin Republic since. Allegedly o, na person opinion, no be me talk am. Another one come dey say God bless the officer o. He say he wish the Nigerian state go make such person example of promotion and other goodies. People dey pray for the officer, say he dey gallant, e bravery and integrity, at least e show say some beautiful ones still dey Nigeria. No be like that novel when they say the beautiful ones are not yet born. Others come dey talk say this na call for government at various levels to prioritize the welfare of Nigerians, especially those wey dey serve for military and paramilitary. Because if they are well taken care of, like somebody dey opine, he say they no go dey swayed by bribe. Na so many people dey talk different things, but majority of them dey commend the officer, say na person wey im hand clean, and that's why he reject blood money. Unlike many people wey for believe say that na their own share of the national cake. Some dey call say this na act of patriotism, and so make the government honor am with national award, because wetin he do so, not many officers, if they dey that kind situation, go do am. They come dey pray make God protect am, so that make the evil people not gang up against am. My country people, how una see Prince Ugochukwu act? Although some dey say they for not put am for Facebook, but na officer im be. How una see wetin he do? If you get anything to talk, put am for the comment section.